Hey, what's up, Z Squad? It's me, Vanshika Bishnoi, your host and your host, and welcome to another episode of Unfiltered Gen Z Talks. Valentine's is all about love, and as you can see, I'm all dressed up, but not for the Valentines, for the sake of asking real questions from Gen Zs and to know about their opinions on real issues. You people might have heard the name.
बनना चाहेंगे जेफरी एस्टीन?
It's going to be about the Epstein Islands. Will the Gen Zs change the system, or will the Gen Zs become a part of the system? Also, I want you guys to comment down below what do you think was Stephen Hawking doing on the island, drifting on wheelchair. So, without wasting further time, let's get into the video.
I never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish.
बनना चाहेंगे जेफरी एस्टीन?
Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files? None of you? Okay. Are you aware of the Epstein files? Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files? None of you? At this point, I support Bajrang Dal. Hi, are you aware of the Epstein files?
Yes.
What was your reaction when you saw the name of Stephen Hawking?
भाई मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया। और क्या
मजा क्यों आया?
भाई, स्टीफन हॉकिंग जैसे लोग का नाम आएगा तो मजा तो आएगा ही। बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला। बहुत कुछ सुना उनके बारे में।
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल नई पर्सनालिटी बाहर आई है सबकी।
ओके। सो क्या बोलते हैं कि डू यू थिंक रिच एंड पावरफुल लोग जो है वो जस्टिस खरीद सकते हैं?
हाँ, एप्स्टीन आइलैंड को खरीद लिया जब, तो एप्स्टीन फाइल्स बाहर नहीं आने दी, इतने साल हो गए, तो जस्टिस भी खरीद ही रखा है।
Okay. Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so do you think that the rich and the powerful people can buy justice?
डेफिनेटली इन इंडिया तो बिल्कुल।
Okay. Do you trust any investigation जो involve करती है like superstars and politicians and celebrities?
If I say completely I trust it, I do not trust it. But yeah, at some point of time it is
Like
genuine.
you trust it
Yes.
sometimes. Okay. What was your reaction when you saw the name of Stephen Hawking in that list?
It's kind of obvious because पहले भी स्टीफन हॉकिंस के कुछ केसेस है that was awakened, तो it's obvious for me.
Okay. Who lies more, politicians or your ex?
Definitely politicians.
Thank you. Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files?
No.
बड़ा मोटा थोड़ा
थोड़ा बहुत ठीक है। क्या पता है आपको एप्स्टीन फाइल्स के बारे में?
एप्स्टीन फाइल्स मेनली अगर देखा जाए तो एक फाइल्स है ना, जो पहले अरे मतलब एक 10 मतलब बहुत सारे पन्नों की है। मेनली उसमें बिल गेट्स जैसे नाम है, मेनली इलॉन मस्क, अनंत अंबानी का भी नाम था बीच में, है ना, अनिल अंबानी का नाम था, ठीक है। मेनली उसमें ये था कि प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स जो होते, पीडोफाइल एक आइलैंड ही था पूरा, तो उसके इतना ही पता है, ज़्यादा नहीं पता। और
ओके, सो डू यू थिंक कि जो रिच एंड पावरफुल लोग हैं वो जस्टिस खरीद सकते हैं?
यस,
ओके, सो एज अ जेनजी आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या जेनजी सोसाइटी को रिफॉर्म करेंगे या उसी का पार्ट बन जाएंगे?
रिफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, करने पाए तो। पार्ट बनना मुश्किल होता है, रिफॉर्म कर सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से, मैक्सिमम चांसेस है।
थैंक यू। हाय, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट एप्स्टीन फाइल्स?
देखो इन्हें ये है होश की बूंदें।
Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files? Yes, we are. Are you? Okay. PWD.
मुस्कानें झूठी हैं।
Okay, due to the braces you can't speak. You really can't speak. You are mute. Okay. My condolences. Okay, so you're aware. Sympathize, don't what? What? You can't speak because of the braces.
You don't want to speak. -1.
Just because I can't speak doesn't mean I need condolences. Okay. Proud mute.
ये तेरी बहन बोल नहीं सकती थी? नहीं बोल सकती थी।
What was your reaction when you got to know that they used to peel off the skins of the babies and make masks out of that?
Yeah, it was really, it was very horrifying. It was very horrifying fact. But then again, if we as civilians, we should not feel emotionally because we all know कि Epstein files बहुत टाइम से उनके पास थी पर वो अब भी रिलीज कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो ऑब्वियसली उनका भी कुछ एजेंडा होगा और इतने हमें पता है कि इतने सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व है पर फिर भी वहाँ पर ना ही ट्रम्प और ना ही किसी के अगेंस्ट कुछ भी एक्शन लिया गया है. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि हम लोगों को इमोशनली इतना ज़्यादा सोचना चाहिए. बट ऑफकोर्स ये बहुत ही हॉरिफाइंग फैक्ट है.
Okay.
और ये बहुत जियोपॉलिटिकल चीज़ है, हमें बहुत थोड़ा ही पता है ऑब्वियस फॉर सम ऑब्वियस रीजंस और हमें वही दिखाया जा रहा है जो वो चाहते कि हमें पता हो. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि इस पे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ ऐसा इनपुट दे सकती हूँ.
Thank you. Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files? Yeah, okay. So, do you think that Gen Zs will change the system or become the part of the system?
I think they will change the system. ऐसा कुछ अब तो देखने को नहीं, खास करके जेंजीज में. I think.
Okay, so Epstein Island तो अब confiscate कर लिया गया है, but क्या आपको लगता है कि दुनिया में अभी भी ऐसे बहुत सारे Epstein Islands कैरी ऑन कर रहे हैं अपने ऑपरेशंस जिनके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है?
हो सकता है हो ऐसा कुछ, अगर हमें ना पता हो सकता हो. But
Okay, thank you guys. Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So do you think that as a Gen Z, like Gen Zs are going to change the system or be a part of the system?
I think they will be the part of the system.
How?
Don't know.
She don't know, she don't know.
Do you trust any investigation जो इंडिया में या कहीं पे भी any part of the world की जाती है in case of celebrities जहाँ पे उनके ऊपर investigation चलती है? Do you trust that?
Little bit.
somewhere not. Somewhere not. Because I believe there is something they want just news to spread all over the world to get views.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you guys. Hi guys, are you aware of the Epstein files? Yes. Okay. Do you think that the rich and the powerful people of the world control the nation?
Yes, they do.
Okay, so do you trust any investigation that happens in terms of like for the rich and the like celebrity people and the politicians?
Yes.
You trust that investigation?
No.
Okay.
It's manipulation.
Okay, what is your opinion? Like as a Gen Z, like the Gen Zs are going to change the system or become a part of the system? क्या? नहीं, okay, हिंदी में बात करते हैं. It's okay. तो as a Gen Z आपको क्या लगता है कि Gen Z इस सिस्टम का पार्ट बन जाएंगे या फिर चेंज करेंगे?
It depends person to person.
Okay, ठीक है. And what was your reaction when you saw the name of Stephen Hawking in that list?
I was shocked. Like how?
How is he able to do this stuff?
Okay, we want it to be unfiltered. Yeah. Okay, so do you trust that rumor that says that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi जो है वो इज़राइल में जाके in 2017 he danced in front of Donald Trump and Jeffrey Epstein?
I feel it was fake news. It was fake.
It wasn't fake.
No, it was like AI edited और वो जो मैंने देखी थी उसकी clip मैंने देखी
The
थी.
clip is not released yet.
No,
but
it
the
was,
rumors are.
No, there was a clip. I have seen somewhere reel that was like.
That may be fake.
Yeah, that was fake. That was filtered. Like they were showing that.
But he had a trip there.
No, exactly. In the files, it was somehow it was blurred. Not it was clear that it was like misinterpreted that there are 2-3 files has been released and there it was written something else and people interpreted it their way that it is for the Modi was there. I forgot the department. There was a interview in which they have told that it was that he had went there is right, but not for the dance or something like related to
He was there
it.
for other things. Like he was promoting India there, I guess. Okay. So, what is your view about cannibalism?
It's very inhuman act. Like how can a person can eat another person, and especially babies in Epstein file they are eating babies. So it's very inhuman.
Thank you guys.
बनना चाहेंगे जेफरी एस्टीन?